Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very special remedy. So guys can see these two items. This is lemon, and see this is lemon and this is cucumber. You guys know the work of cucumber and lemon. Cucumber is very nice in the body, even lemon too. So this is home remedy. The home remedy, if you mix these two together, see the water for bottle water. If you have jug, big jug, you can use it also. So that one is even easy than the bottle water. That one, if you just slice it anyhow, you can put it direct. Then this one, I want to use the rubber so that I will slice it small. So the work of it is clean your system. If you are looking for flat tummy, you drink it morning and night. Drink it early morning before you take anything. You soak it inside the water for 3 days. Then you begin drink it. You fetch it morning and night. Before you take your breakfast, drink it. Then your last meal, immediately you take your dinner, you drink it before you go to bed. Take it like this, like 1 week. You see the result. If you have big tummy, you see how your tummy will reduce. And if you have anything, and it cure fever also. All those malaria, this, you eat food, you don't digest, all this thing. If you are taking this, you won't have problem on this. Your system will be clean, will be pure wash, and it will allow, especially woman, and if you are menstruate, it will allow your menstruate to be flow well. You will not have all this pain, and maybe your menstrual pain won't come. You will be happy and all those things. You won't have all those things again if you are taking it. If you want to do it more than this, you can buy plenty cucumber, plenty lemon, slice it small, put it in the jug or in the bottle water, cover it and keep it. You can set it overnight, you can leave it for 3 days. No matter anyhow you want it, you do it. Then take it morning and night. Don't miss it. Take it for 1 week, you see the result. So let's go. Want to cut it and put it inside the bottle water now. It's just a simple home remedy. Please, cut it small. Be careful, don't cut your hand. Just do it small. And put it in your jug. Cover it very well. Don't allow dirty or anything to enter. And before you do it, make sure you wash your cucumber very well. I've already washed this one and the lemon. So slice it small. The reason why I'm slicing it small because I want to put it inside the rubber. So the rubber, the mouth is too small. It's not wise. But if now jug, can cut it big, cut it anyhow and put it inside. Just put enough water inside. It's a simple home remedy. So guys can see how we slice it. We will pick it and be putting it inside the bottle. You can see. No, the bottle, the mouth is too small. We'll be putting it small. So make sure you wash your hand very well before you do it. See? Put all inside, then you cover it and keep it. You can keep it overnight, you can leave it for 3 days, anyhow you want it. But make sure take it first thing in the morning before take your breakfast. Then in the night, after take your meal, take it before you go to bed. Do it for 1 week. You see the result. Your tummy will go down. Man can even take it. It's not only woman. Man will have big tummy. You can even take it. Your tummy will go down. You have flat tummy. So just do it. Try it and see. You see the result of it. take it for 1 week, you see everything, all your tummy will go down and you wash all your system. So that is all for home remedy cleanser. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, don't go subscribe, comment and click on it. I love you all. We meet again in my next video. See you.